Hey, Rainbow here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to give an update on the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. This is my 2023 model that has about 2,200 miles on it now, and I'm going to give an update on how it was running really hot. So we got that work done. So stand by, roll. You know what? We don't need an intro for this. All right, let's keep going. All right. So I think I did a YouTube short. I don't think I did a regular video where I talked about this bike and it was running hot. I had a day where I got stuck in traffic and the temperature shot up to 245 degrees, 246 degrees, and even a little bit higher. And I was really surprised the fan was just constantly on. And I never experienced that before because I put on almost, well, close to 27,000 miles on the previous version of this, which was the Ducati Multistrada V4S, and never once on the hottest day did I ever see it go over 223. Typically at 216, 217, the fan kicked in. It may occasionally get up to 221, 223, mostly 221, and it comes right back down. With this bike, this was actually after the first service even, I had an issue where I got stuck in traffic and it was running hotter. And I also noticed that the bike was running hotter in general. It was about 5 to 7 degrees hotter at all times. So I reported that to Ducati. Ducati North America worked with my local dealer, and they did two things. They changed the thermostat, which apparently is a real pain in the ass to get to. And the other thing that they did is they changed the temperature sensor and then put in all fresh new coolant. Now, with that being said, the bike has been running kind of just like the old bike. It'll occasionally get to 223, mostly 221. Seems like the fan still kicks on around 216, 217 degrees Fahrenheit. And when I'm on the road, before I couldn't get it below like 189, even on the highway on a cool day, just running hard, it wouldn't go below. Now, even in traffic, it goes down to like 185 really easy. So this was an easy fix. I thank Ducati for that. They did a great job. And now the bike doesn't seem to run hot at all. So that's it. This is a really quick update. For this, I'm gonna have an update on some other things coming up with this. And I have an issue with the KTM that I need to talk about because this was a surprise, not just to me, but to my KTM dealer. So stay tuned for that video. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. This is a quick, simple video, but I want to give an update on my baby. Take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.